Hello everyone, I'm David Anderson, the author of Discovering Kanban. In this book I describe the main events that led to the development of the Kanban method as we know it today. The book's intended to tell you the complex story of how Kanban emerged through real-life experience. Kanban's a method with a character that was formed and shaped over years, going through its own evolutionary processes. Read Discovering Kanban with a Better with Kanban Plus subscription on our Kanban.plus platform. The online subscription has a collection of additional learning materials to use and download. For example, explore and access the text through a collection of simple infographics that provide a novel alternative to reading the book sequentially chapter by chapter. Discovering Kanban will give you a deeper understanding of how the Kanban method helps people and organizations make incremental improvements over time. The book's filled with detailed stories from early implementations that will help you connect the theory with the practice. It's packed with pragmatic, actionable, evidence-based guidance and many ideas that you can implement immediately. So enjoy your reading.